All right, we're watching a controversial moment there during opening statements for the trial of young thug. I want to bring in ABC News legal contributor Brian Buckmeyer to break down a little bit of what happened. Brian, they're 5 minutes into opening statements, and we're seeing the defense make a motion for a mistrial. What happened?
So, if I can explain this, and excuse my laughing, because it's just so ridiculous. It appears that the prosecution turned over only some of the information they were going to present in opening statements. That's not the way it's supposed to work out. You show the defense attorneys, and when there's so many of them, you have to show them all, what they're going to present, what information is in that. And here, there's the mistake that they simply put out that there's a connection not just between YSL, but also between Young Thug's own attorney, that he represents another defendant on an appellate issue that the judge has already ruled should not come in. Why is that such a big deal? One, you have to give this information to defense beforehand. Two, the judge made a ruling on this, as he explained about a week or two ago, that the only way that the prosecution can bring this in is if they lay the foundation to that. Why is it such a big deal? Some of the rap lyrics that they're using against Young Thug says that he pays for lawyers to help with killings. This is something that will definitely prejudice the jury, and the judge, I think, understandably doesn't want a mistrial because they just started after almost 10 months of finding a jury. Now, about 10 minutes into the opening statement by the prosecution, we're already having issues. This is a huge fumble by the prosecution.
So now what do they do? Because the jury was there. The jury saw that slide. So how do you fix that now?
So we call it a curative instruction, but most attorneys will tell you you can't unring that bell. The jury was stepped out for a few moments. They know something is wrong. They know that the last piece of information that they saw or heard is a major issue. So it's going to draw their attention. But now the judge has to explain, hey, we know that one of the defense attorneys is named here for representing someone else, and the prosecution is going to later come and say that his client pays attorneys to get other people off on murder, but just don't look at the man behind the curtain type of situation.
Does this open grounds for appeal if he's convicted?
Absolutely. This is just one of many. And a defense attorney or prosecutor being yelled at by a judge at any time, but especially this early, does not bode well for the prosecution side.
So, Brian, what are you watching for in this case? Because one of the big issues here is that the judge has ruled the prosecution can conditionally use rap lyrics as evidence, which could have ramifications far beyond this case.
Yeah. What's the foundation that they're going to use to try to bring in these lyrics? What, as California has tried to do with their legislation when it comes to the use of rap lyrics, what are they going to be able to prove to try to connect the rap lyrics to actual occasions? Like this, for example, when Young Thug or other YSL members supposedly rap that they pay attorneys to get away with murder or killing, what connection are they going to put together between that rap lyric being potentially just artwork or expression or hyperbole and actual charges? What are they going to say is the connective tissue between the actual crimes and the actual communications that they make in this wide-spanning RICO case?
All right, be an interesting one to watch. ABC News legal contributor Brian Buckmeyer. Brian, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.